She felt a strong pain in the vagina. You'll be amazed what they found him. The blogger Michelle Barrow told a strange story that happened to his readers. Because he felt pain in the abdomen, she went to her gynecologist. He could not suspect that their cats had something to do with it. In her blog, she writes, as the gynecologist into his vagina something weird. Because what pulled between the legs was not an old tampon or a sanitary napkin, it was a hairball. Michelle did not understand anything. But as it turned out, was not his own hair, was their cat's. But how did he get the ball up and body of Michelle? The explanation is really as simple as strange. After all, the blogger shares her bed, not only with her boyfriend, but with her cats, who are leaving hair on the sheets. It was in the sexual act when he slipped into the vagina. And these are the two guilty called Cricket and a Donut. Actually, they are very sweet, but yes, with hair. What we learn from this: keep your cat out of bed. For dogs, of course, the same applies. Share with all your friends who have a cat or dog.